Hey y'all, what's up? So here we're gonna do a little get ready with me video. Here I'm filling in my eyebrows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil number 5. This is my absolute favorite brow pencil as of right now. It's been what I've been using like all year, pretty much all of like or half of last year as well. Um, I believe that's $12 at Ulta, and that's the mini pencil. I also have like the larger one with the spoolie on the other side, but I just kind of use it to like add in, like to just feather out kind of my eyebrows to give it that like permed look, and just where it kind of needs any like assistance. Yep, here I'm just using the spoolie of an elf pencil to flare it out. So let's talk about this ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer. I absolutely love it. I'm using it here to just cut my eyebrows, but when I actually use it on my face underneath my eye, you'll really see like what it does. It having hyaluronic acid and I believe like coconut water in it, it feels so light on the skin. It doesn't cake, so I highly recommend it. I'll try to do like an actual like I guess review on it for y'all, but I've been using it for a while. Here is the hyaluronic moisturizer that goes with it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. If you notice, I'm only putting it on the bottom half of my face where I feel like my skin just needs to be like evened out. But this stuff right here, it's such it has like a light coverage, and it's been one of my favorite things to use, especially during these hot weather months here in Georgia. It literally just melts into my skin. Like, look at it, and it's light. It doesn't feel like heavy. Like I can my pores are still breathing. That's why I'm smiling. Look. So here we go back with that concealer, and I believe it's in 170N. And this is like my lazy, I guess, everyday face, or how I've been doing my makeup. Uh, you know, I guess every day right now. But yeah, I'm just putting some on the bridge of my nose to, do work that magic right there, highlighting the higher spots of my nose. Underneath my eye, that is the, I believe, Elf Under the Eye blending brush. It's like $3 at Target. Um, yeah, I like to use my finger too to like pat it in and move the product around. And we're just blending that in, of course, in all the areas that I want highlighted. Okay, we go in with our beauty blender sponge and just work that more in. So here I'm going in with the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder and I believe Cocoa Kisses, and just using that to like set the tinted moisturizer that I just put all over my face. So yeah, we're just using, I believe that's like a Wet n Wild big powder brush. And I usually just lift my scarf right there so that way I don't have like a line. So this is the Ruby Kisses HD Flawless Setting Powder, and I believe Golden Banana. It's more of like a darker banana powder, but I love it. I'm more brown skin, so I just feel like the warm tone of the Golden Banana gives me no flashback. Like even here, I'm sitting under like two bright LED lights similar to the Glamcore lights, and I don't know, I just feel like it. I usually put powder right there in my eyebrows instead of like eyebrow setting powder, just to kind of take the shine down because my skin gets oily right there above my eyebrow. um, Now here, that is the Morphe, what is it? Oh, yep, let me just cut my cheekbones really quick. We're just gonna cut right there. Okay, so what I started to put on was the Morphe Glamour Bronze Face Body Bronzer in Leader. And I'm just using that to contour my cheekbone. I really don't have any rhyme or reason when contouring my face. I just kind of follow like the darker spots. Like where I said I put the powder, it's the higher spots, so that's the highlighting portion for me. But I feel like this bronzer just kind of puts some dimension back into my face. and I love it. I think it's $19 at Ulta, and yeah, I'm just using it here to contour my nose. I honestly am not the best, I feel, when it comes to contouring. I just kind of try to follow my face shape or client's face shape that I'm working on, but I just kind of play around. Like I said, this is like a lazy everyday face. It's really something that I can do in under, I want to say 20 minutes if I'm running somewhere. Okay, so here I'm just kind of dusting away all of that baking powder. I try not to bake too long. We're going in now with the Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette. I'm not remembering what shade name that is, but I'll just put it like in the video here. You'll see it, but I pointed to it. If you have it, you know which one, just to give kind of a flush back to my cheeks. Now I'm just using a powder brush to just really dust away. And that is the, yes, Let's Spritz. That's the setting spray. To me, that's where all the magic happens. I highly recommend that Mario Badescu facial spray. I just spray it periodically through the day on my skin. It just gives it like the moisture it needs. Okay, so this is like a beauty supply find for me. It is the NYX New York Intense Lash Builder Mascara. I really don't like mascara. As you can see, that's why I'm like wearing it on just the bottom and I have lashes on the top. Most mascaras irritate like the mess out of my eyes anyway. And here we're just gonna keep the lips like nude. I'm just using a brown, I think that's Rosewood J-Cat Auto Lip Liner and clear lip gloss over. And that's it, y'all. That's my everyday face. So yeah, let's talk hair now. So I'm just taking down like my clips. I try to like prep my baby hairs in the morning. Yep, I'm coming back in with my brush to just get that line out. Yeah, so I prep my hair in the morning, so that way when it's time to sit down and do my makeup, when I'm done, I can just leave out the house. My hair, I've been blue now for maybe like a month. It was purple prior. I just really enjoy playing with color. Yes, sis, yes. Come on, give us a twirl. I love that blue. I love it. Denim, that's my vibe. Thank you for watching my channel. That concludes my Get Ready With Me today.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Oh, my roots are turning like teal. Like this more denim blue. I gotta try to figure out how to get this up here. I think I did pretty good today. I just need to record myself regular talking because when I think about it too much, it just be awkward. And if I just regularly talk, it'll just come out right. Right, Cam?
Yes.
Yeah, so I gotta practice more with that. If you would like to see more makeup, more skincare, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah.